Good morning children. Today we study the chapter 1 numbers. Then in Indian place value there are 4 periods. In Indian place value there are 4 periods. First period is ones period, second thousand, third lakhs, then crores. Then in ones period is we divided into 3 places. In ones period we divided into 3 places, ones, tens, 100. Again ones, tens, 100. In thousand period we divided into 2 parts, then 1000 and 10,000. Then lakhs period we divided into 2 parts, lakhs and 10 lakh. In crores period we divided into 2 parts, crore and 10 crore. In Indian place value, ones, tens, 100, then we put a comma, 1000, 10,000, then we put a comma, lakh, 10 lakh, then we put a comma, crore and 10 crore. Then next we how to read and write the number. How to read and write the number. First you put a comma, ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100, then we put a comma, 1000, 10,000, then comma, lakh, 10 lakh, then comma, crore. Then read how to read. We read the ones period we read together, then thousand period we also read together, then lakh period we also read together, then crore. Then first you read 7 crore 47 lakh 54,873. Again 7 crore 47 lakh 54,873. Again one more example. First you ones, tens, 100, then comma, 1000, 10,000, then comma, lakh. Then read 8 lakh 37,685. 8 crore 8 lakh 37,685. Then how to write the number? Then 3 crore 4 lakh 5,000 550. Then the highest place is crore. Then you write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, then crore. Then how many crores? 3 crore. You write 3. 4 lakh, 10 lakh is missing. You put a 0. You put a 0. Then 4 lakh. You write 4. Then 5,000, again 10,000 is missing. You put a 0. Then 5,000. 550. Understand? Then you put a comma. Understand how to write the number? 3 crore 4 lakh 5,550. Again 3 crore 4 lakh 5,550. Next we place value and face value. Place value and face value. First face value. Face value. What is the face? For example, 3,848. What is the face value of 8? 8. What is the face value of 4? 4. What is the face value of 8? 8. What is the face value of 3? Face value is the digit itself. What is the face value? Face value is the digit itself. Then another example, 5759. What is the face value of 9? 9. What is the face value of 5? 5. What is the face value of 7? 7. What is the face value of 5? 5. Understand the face value? Then place value. Then place value. Place value is, one formula is place value is equal to face value multiply place of the digit. Which place the digit is sitting, that place. That is 4,85,735. Then what is the place value of 5? Which 5 is the digit, face value. Then which place 5 sitter? Ones. Then next face value 3 is 3 multiply. Which place 3 sitter? 10. Then next 7. Face value of 7 is 7 multiply. Which place 7 sitter? Ones, tens, 100. Then 100. Then 5 again 5. Face value of 5 is 5 multiply. Which place 5 sitter? 1000. Then 8. Which face value of 8 is 8. Then which place 8 sitter? 10,000. Then 4. Face value of 4 is 4 multiply by which place 4 sitter? Lakh. Then the answer is 5, 30, 700, then 5,000, then 80,000, then 4 lakh. This is the place value. Understand this? Then predecessor and successor. Predecessor and successor. What is the meaning of successor? Successor means just after. Successor means just after. Then what is the successor of greatest 3-digit number? What is the greatest 3-digit number? 999. What is the successor of this number? We add 1. We add more than 1. We add 1. 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000. What is the successor of 999? 999 successor. What is the successor? 1000. Then what is the successor of 4,78,550? 4,78,550. We add 1 is equal to 4,78,551. Understand it? What is the successor? Successor means just after. We get a successor, we add 1. We get a successor, we add 1. Then next predecessor. Next predecessor. Predecessor. Predecessor means just before. Predecessor means just before. What is the predecessor of 10,000? What is the predecessor of 10,000? We get a predecessor, we subtract 1 from the given number. We get a predecessor, we subtract 1 from the given number. Our given number is 10,000. We subtract 1. We subtract 1. Then we get 9, 9, 9, 9. What is the predecessor of 10,000? 9,999. For example, again one example, 5,749. What is the predecessor of 5,749? minus 1, then 8, 4, 7, 5. What is the answer? 5748. How to compare? Then we compare the number. We compare the number. 5,08,547, then 5,08,647. First we look the highest place value. Here the highest place value ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Here also lakh, 1000, 100. Here the highest place is 5,000. First 5 lakh. Here also 5 lakh. There is both are same. Then next digit is 0. Here also 0. Both are same. Then next digit is 8. Here also 8. Both are same. Next digit is 5. Here also 6. Which is greater? This is greater. Then we put the greater sign. Understand? Next we International Place Value System. Indian National Place Value System. In International Place Value System, there are 4 periods. How many periods? 4 periods. First period is 1's period, then second period is 1000 period, third period is million, then billion. In one's period we divided into 3 places. Ones, tens, 100. In one's period 3 places. There are 3 places in one's period. Ones, tens, 100. Then in 1000 period also 3 places. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Then again the million period is again 3 places. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Then billion also 3 places. Billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Now our study in million up to million. Then read the number. How to read the number? In each period is end we put a comma. In each period is end we put a comma. Ones, tens, 100, then comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then comma, then million. Then we write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then million. Then read this 3 million. Read together. This group read together. 748,569. Again 3,748,569. Again Another example. Again you write ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then comma, million, 10 million. Read this. 48 million 300,000 750. Again 48 million 300,000 750. Understand this? Then next, round off. Round off near. Round off. Round off nearest. Nearest 10. Round off to the nearest 10. Round off nearest 10. We round off nearest 10. We look in ones place. Which place? In ones place. Which place? Ones place. Which place? Ones place. We look in ones place. Less than 5. There is no change in ones. Tens place. Less than 5. There is no change in tens place. 5 or greater than 5. We change 1 add in tens place. 1 add in tens. Here the example. Here in ones place come in 5. We add 1 in tens place. Then the answer is 3, 7, 4, 9, 0. Understand? Then again example. Which number come in? 3 come in this. We write 3 is there is no change in tens place. There is no change in tens place. What are the digits come in ones place? So you listen. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 come in ones place. There is no change in tens place. Here which digit come in ones place? 3 come in ones place. There is no change in tens place. Our answer is 37480. Then next example 6. In 5 or greater than 5 in come in ones place. We add 1 in tens place. We add 1 in tens place. Here which digit come in ones place? 6 come in ones place. The answer is 43490. Understand again. 3749. Which digit come in ones place? 9 come in ones place. 3750. Again 9833. Which place come in? 3 come in ones place. 9830. Then round off nearest 100. Round off nearest 100. Round off nearest 100. We look in tens place. We look in tens place. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 come in tens place. There is no change in 100 place. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 come in tens place. 1 add in 100 place. Here which digit come in tens place? 8 come in tens place. Therefore here change. Answer is 37500. Ones and tens place goes to zeros. Then 37432. Here come which place? 3 come in tens place. What is the answer? 3, 7, 4, 0, 0. There is no change here. Then next, nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. We round off nearest 1000. Which place we look? 100 place. Which place we look? 100 place. Which place? 100 place. Then which place we look? 100 place. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come in 100 place. There is no change in 1000 place. Again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come in 100 place. There is no change in 1000 place. Here which digit come? Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come in 100 place. 1 add. 1 add in 1000 place. 1 add in 1000 place. Here which digit come in 100 place? 3. Therefore there is no changing here. 8, 5, 0, 0, 0. These 3 digit goes to 0. Then here also 8, 6. 6 come in more than 5. Therefore we add 1 in 1000 place. 8, 6, 0, 0, 0. Understand this? Understand all students? Then next, nearest 10,000. Nearest 10,000, which place we look? 1000 place. Which place we look? 1000 place. Rule which place we look? 1000 place. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no change in 1000 place. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 come in 1000 place. 1 add. 1 add in 1000. 1 add in 10,000. 1 add in 10,000. Here, which digit come in 1000 place? 4. 4 come, there is no change. Answer 8, 0, 0, 0, 0. 80,000. Then here which digit come in? 5. 9, 0, 0, 0, 0. Understand? Then lakh. Nearest lakh, which place you see? Which place you see? You see the 10,000 place. Which place you see? 10,000 place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Here also 10,000 place. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 come in 10,000 place. There is no change in lakh place. There is no change in lakh place. Here also 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 come in 10,000 place. 1 add in lakh place. Here which digit come here? 2 is come in 10,000 place. There is no change in lakh place. 5, 0, 0, 0. Left numbers are goes in zeros. Here 8 come in 10,000 place. Then change in lakh place. 8 lakh. Understand this? Next, Roman numerals. You study in 4th class the Roman numerals. Then there are 7 symbols in Roman numerals. Roman numerals. Roman numerals. here Hindu Arabic. Then I stands for 1 in Roman numeral I. I stands for 1, then V stands for 5, X stands for 10, then L stands for 50, C stands for 100, then D stands for 500, then M stands for 1000. What are the symbols? I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, then L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500 and M stands for 1000. Then I, X, C and M. What are the symbols? I, X, C, M are repeated 3 times. Again I, X, C, M. I, X, C, M are repeated how many times? 3 times. Then V, L and D. V, L and D are never repeated. V, L, D are never repeated. V, L, D are never repeated. Then how to write the symbols? Then 478. First you write in expanded form. How to expanded this form? 400 plus 70 plus 8. 478. Then in Roman numeral 400. C and D. C and D. Then 70. L, X, X. 478. Understand? Then 900. Which symbols we write? C and M. C and M. Then 540. 540. How to write? 500. 500 plus 40. Then 500 D. 500. Then 540 X and L. 540. Understand this? Then any doubt? You write, you all students, you do the exercise. Exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 all are doing. Any doubt? Then I check your work also. Thank you.